Welcome to OFB e-Procurement, System Requirement and Installation of DSC PKI Component Video Manual. Best compatible operating systems are Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Browser compatibility. New OFB e-Procurement is compatible in 3 browsers: Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer. Browser setup for Google Chrome. Open a tab in a Google Chrome and type chrome //allow-insecure-localhost in the address bar and press enter. Click the drop down and select enabled. Then click on relaunch. Browser setup for Mozilla Firefox. Open a tab in Mozilla Firefox and type https://localhost:13591 in the address bar and press enter. If it throws an error as it's showing in the screen, then type about:config in the address bar and press enter. If your browser throws any warning or error, then click on accept the risk and continue. A search box will appear where you need to write security.mixed_content.block_active_content. You need to toggle it to false. Then clear the search box and type security.mixed_content.block_display_content. You need to toggle it to true. Browser setup for Internet Explorer. Open a tab in Internet Explorer and type https://localhost:13591 in the address bar and press enter. Click OK if this type of warning message appears. Click on more information. Click on this link. Click yes. Click OK if this type of warning message appears. With these browser settings, you are good to open the website. Installation of DSC PKI component. There are 2 ways to install the PKI component. You may temporarily install the component, which will uninstall every time you restart your system. Hence, you need to execute every time you need to access this portal. Or you may go for permanent installation of the component. To understand more about the component and installation requirement, kindly go through the manual as given in the home page. Temporary execution. Go to Install DSC PKI component link and click on Temporary Execution. A JNLP file will get downloaded in your system. If this type of warning message appears, then click on Keep. Once the JNLP file downloaded successfully in your system, right-click on the file and click on Launch. Installation will take place automatically. You may check whether the PKI component has installed correctly or not. To know, click on the taskbar and you may find a blue N sign as shown here. Permanent installation. Go to Install DSC PKI component link and click on Permanent Installation. Here you will find 2 options, 32-bit and 64-bit. You need to install between any of these 2 according to your system type. To know about your system type, right click on this PC or My Computer, click on Properties and you can see your system type. Accordingly select and download the version to install the exe file in your system. Kindly note, This installation might require admin rights in your system. In such case, kindly contact your system admin or your company's IT department. Once the exe file downloaded successfully in your system, right-click on the file and click on Open, or you may run as administrator. Click on Next. Click on I agree. Exe file will be automatically installed in your system. It may take a couple of minutes to install, depending on your system speed. Once the exe file gets installed, click on Finish. You may check whether the PKI component has installed correctly or not. To know, click on the taskbar and you may find a blue N sign as shown here. Thank you. Your system is now ready.